So here in last classes we didn't discuss about this service desk in the service desk. Okay, so first of all, so yesterday we discussed about issues in computers like if system is not started. So if system is not started, the question is why? What you seen at a system? Okay, so here is a question. So client given a complaint. I hope you are already seen BMC Helix, which is I given a demo how the complaints are there, how to assign and all. It is there. So compulsory guys, look at it, practice it. Okay. Now, okay. So someone said the system is not started. Okay, I have a system issue. What you seen there? Did you power on it? What is something is on a screen, right? For example, on your screen, yeah, I marked present was will no problem. Okay, on the screen, bootable disk unable to find bootable disk. You start your PC, unable to find bootable disk. So you need to check the power connections. You need to check the power connection. No need to check the RAM connections and all because system is already on, but voice is not loaded. Voice is not loaded. It is unable to find the voice part. Okay, unable to find the voice part. Okay, of course there is so many variations are there guys, so that's why already I told. So find issues. First of all, find out different type of issues in a hardware level, network level, server level, service level. Okay, so fine. So thing is, unable to find bootable disk means your motherboard, your processor, your RAM, your smps, your power supply is good. So you don't have to do all this troubleshooting. You have to directly jump to so unable to find portable disk. So it is can be a hard disk disconnection. Okay, it's a theoretical questions you have to put it. It is a possible hard disk is disconnected or a hard disk is failed. What to do? Go to BIOS settings, check it. Your hard disk is recognized or not. Physically hard disk is connected or not. Physically you can open the cabinet and see there is a hard disk and there is a connection. Good. And go to BIOS. In a BIOS you have to check hard disk name is there or not. Okay, so hard disk connection name will be there in a BIOS. So next, both are there. It can be a operating system problem. It can be a operating system problem. So both are there. So it can be a operating system problem. So 1 second. So I will use this paint just for a visual purpose only. Nothing. So on your system screen, unable to find bootable disk. Okay, like that. That is like a boot MGR missing. So what is the step one? We have to do it. No need to do all the power connections, internal parts. No need to do it. Simply you have to jump to the part is it can be a hard disk related issue. It can be a hard disk related issue or a OS related issue. Okay, OS related issue. So we can say first for confirm hard disk related issue. How to confirm it? So open the cabinet, check the physically hard disk is there or not. Hard disk connection. Hard disk and connection. Hard disk is there, connection is problem. Okay, so check the connection or reconnect it. This is the first one. In that one, again, in subset, theoretical. Okay. Next, OS. So if hard disk is there, good. Maybe OS is corrupted. OS is corrupted or OS is not there. It can be a fresh system or OS is not there. OS drive is deleted. Then what to do? You have to reload the OS. Or okay, OS is corrupted or OS is missing kind of stuff. In any cases, there is a one more is there that is If I told that it is like system image restore. Okay, so how to troubleshoot? You can use system image restore. Okay, so this system, this image restore is a all-in-one problem solution. It is like your hard disk is failure, your hard disk is not working, then you inserted a new hard disk. System image restore help you to restore your system back. I will explain what it is. Okay, system image restore. So you can restore the entire system back into new PC, new hard disk. That is one possibility. Second, hard disk is good. Hard disk is good, but OS is corrupted. Okay, OS drive is deleted, or OS drive is corrupted, or some virus is there. So in this case also, you can just remove the OS and restore the OS back with the system restoration, system image restore part. Okay, so this is a one kind of solution. Most possible, probably we don't do this one. Why? Because of there is a reason. What is this system restoration, guys? This is my system. This is my system. System contains operating system. Right? This is my Windows 10 PC. This is my computer. In my computer hard disk, I have a operating system, user details, user profile data, and other data. Right? Applications. Okay, installed applications are there. Operating system is there. User is there. So what is this system image? Image backup, it is nothing but a backup technique. So you can go to the backup option, control panel, backup, go to system image backup, like this. Go to control panel, go to backup and restore option, go to system image, create a system image. So normally I am using this system for so many years, so I cannot take it. Why? Because it's around at least OS drive itself, it is more than 200 GB. Okay, it's around 200 GB, not more than at least 200 GB only C drive. Okay, so where I will store this 200 GB, I have to connect to external hard disk only. Okay, a system image is a copy of drives required for a Windows to run. It can also include additional drives. It also can include additional drives. So we can add a D drive, E drive, F drive, like that. A system image can be used to restore your computer if your hard drive or a computer ever stop working. However, you cannot choose individual item to restore. So you cannot choose, I want to restore only this particular folder. I want to choose this only like this. Okay. Here it is. It will capture entire system and store into one single file as a image. Okay, it is what is done. It is try to find where is the some space to store the drive. So this is the thing. Okay, you don't continue this part, guys. So this is which drives you want to store, like a by default checking this is and C drive, and these drives you can see. So actually this drive should not be selected. This voice drive is a normal drive. It think it is a system drive. It's not a system drive. Only system drives. And then if you want anything other drives like E drive, F drive kind of stuff, you can do it. So this much three, because of this three 397 GB place is required to store the data. Yes, I'm canceling. Again, look at here. What is system image? System image take the backup of entire your system, mainly your system drives and additional drives. If system stop working, system is stop working. Example, hard disk failure, hard disk failure, voice is completely corrupted or deleted, something is happened. Okay, if you are already having a this backup, you have a backup of this system image backup is there, so we can restore it back to the system. Okay, we can restore it back. Most of us, we don't do that one. We don't have any idea about a system image restore. We don't, I don't take a backup. Okay. Okay, so that is not very important for our personal computers sometimes. But if you are working, like you are using a professional editions, like working organization related laptops, or your company related or a business related data in your personal folders are there. Okay, and licensing related applications, some applications are very difficult to install, right? So applications, their keys are there. So what you have to do, take the system image backup, restore into one external hard disk, not a pen drives. Okay, pen drives are lower capacities anyway. Buy external hard disk, normal hard disk only, no need to buy ssds, guys. Ssds is a false prestige. Okay, so like we use oil, like a sunflower oil and all. So some people use rich oils like olive oil or some other kind of oil. So it is a very costly and very natural oil. So like a richness part. So SSDs are purely like that only. SSDs are having a purpose, that is, if you want to store and you want to get a faster booting or a faster application loading, you want a faster booting and faster application loading, you can use SSD. For restoring a data and storing a backup data, don't use SSDs. Do not use SSDs for storing regular data or a backup data kind of stuff. Okay, buy normal hard disk, that is 1 terabyte is around 3000 rupees, 3 to 3500, maximum 4000, depends upon the cost variation. So it's around 3000 to 3500 cost 1 terabyte. If you want, you can buy a 2 terabyte, also no problem. Buy a 2 terabytes of external hard disk or 1 terabyte of external hard disk. Start at least with the 1 terabyte of external hard disk. Start means, yeah, I have a totally four external hard disk are there. The first starting one is 320 GB, next is 1 terabyte, next is 2 terabyte, next is 2 terabyte. Okay, so we are keep generating a data. So very important data is movies, pictures and all kind of stuff, like that is. So connect to external hard disk. Okay, so make sure your system is functioning good, no virus in it, no virus in it. Take the system image backup, store into external hard disk in one place. If in case, any case, your hard disk is failure or you're replacing your hard disk, this image backup is very helpful. But you won't get a nearest one, means after taking a backup, you modified anything, the modifications won't work here, won't come. So you will get a old version. For example, uh, June 1st, have taken a image backup. On June 1st, I had taken an image backup. Meanwhile, I uninstalled some applications. Right? Okay. So I installed some application, I put some data, I removed some data kind of stuff. What are the changes occur? Now today is July 26th. Okay. So what are the changes occur till July 26th? After this one, that won't work. So the start stage where June 1st, what are the what are the data is there for that time, it will come. So this is system restoration, system image restoration, not system restoration, guys. System restoration part. So here it is. Again, I'm telling, if hard disk is stop working, or a voice is completely corrupted, or maybe voice is deleted, so you have to clean the hard disk. So if hard disk is working, then remove the entire hard disk operating part using some commands and all, and restore with the system image restore. Windows 7 having one problem, like sometimes older system having, not Windows 7, it is a older systems. So whenever the hard disk is not working properly, it is ask you to restore your operating system, restore system image, restore scenario will run. Okay, so you can go through like system. I need a pictures. Okay, yeah, here it is. It's in a Windows 10 we have a system restore option is there, image restore, image recovery, second option. Okay, not a first option, it's a second option. System restore, system image recovery is there. Okay, so this is a restore system files and settings in Windows 7. It shows like this. No, this is a restoration. System restore is different, image restore is different. System restore, yesterday already I told, system restore means I installed some application, now I don't require, so now I got some problem because of I updated some drivers, or maybe I installed some application, now I'm getting some problem, I want to restore into the earlier stage. So then what are the applications and settings will be reverted back to the earlier state. So that is called a system restore. Here it is, system image part. What is system image part? Okay guys, this is startup repair, it is highlighted. So you can go to Windows 10 advanced options. If you type Windows 10 advanced option, you will get like this. This is entirely given for a, system image, not image, it's just a restoration part only, not image backup. Only few options are there. Yeah. This is system image recovery is there, no? That is the one. Okay. So it's okay. We don't find that commands. So it is our troubleshooting options. Here it is, you have to select a troubleshoot, then advanced settings, then you will get a advanced settings. In a advanced settings, you will find these options. Startup repair. If you are having some bootable issues, you'll go to startup repair. You can uninstall the updates. You can uninstall the updates from here. Like yesterday I said now. So BSOD kind of stuff. Okay, system restore, and also you will find system image restore point also. It's also not showing. Okay, what are it is? Let's look at here. This is scenario. So we can able to, if you have a system image backup, you can restore into new system. For example, sorry, I'm keep telling, but I think I'm confusing you guys. The first one, hard disk is missing. Okay, unable to find bootable disk. So in that case, you check hard disk is missing. Missing means hard disk is not connected, or a hard disk is connected but not working. Means hard disk is failure. Hard disk is failure. So in that case, what we can able to do, we'll remove the hard disk. We remove the hard disk, insert a new hard disk. We remove this hard disk and we insert a new hard disk. New hard disk don't have any OS and drivers applications, right? So you have a system image, so we'll go to system image recovery. You already taken system image backup, you can restore system image, means as it is as earlier, we restore into new hard disk, new hard disk. So this is first one. Second one, for example, uh, example second one is, you have a hard disk and it is functioning, you got a problem with your operating system, so operating system is corrupted, hard disk is there. Then what to do, insert any portable drive and go to troubleshooting things, remove the partitions, that delete entire data, remove it, or you can already I told, connect this hard disk to any other system which is having antivirus, scan it properly and remove the hard disk. Okay, remove the hard disk and take the backup, remove the hard disk content operating system files, and also you can do, means what are the thing is remove it and put a system image file inside. Restore the system image. So this is one more troubleshoot. Okay, so I told, I think now it is given a clarity. Okay, so what is system image, guys? System image is image backup of entire your system, mainly system drives like a C drive and other drives. And also you can take normal drives like a D drive, E drive also you can able to put it in a system image. It is entire system we can able to take it as a backup and store it. We cannot restore individual files or a directory kind of stuff. We have to restore into everything in one shot only. So normal backup is different. Normal backup is file wise, directory wise, folder wise, like a backup is there. Which file is you want, that only we can able to, that we can able to restore it. But here in this one, you have to restore it whole system. So when we use this system image kind of stuff, so you are already taken system image backup. So in case of system failure, your hard disk is corrupted, hard disk is failure, you replace a new hard disk, you want to restore the entire your system, so we can restore it from the system image restoration. Okay, yeah, one point is completed. So I'm going to one more point, guys. So that is, anyway, we are in here in a backup part. You can see, create a system repair disk. Create a system repair disk. A system repair disk can be used to boot your computer. It contains Windows system recovery tools that can help you recover Windows from serious errors or restore your computer from system image. And got it? So point is, so how this is works is important. What is this repair disk? We'll see. Look at here. This is my system again. This is my system. I have an operating system. Functioning system is there. I have to insert a CD. I have to insert a CD. Normal CD is enough, not required a hard disk. Um, Before going to that one, guys, when you are installing operating system, you can also see my videos are there. Windows 10 installation, Windows server installation is there. So go through it, go through the starting steps, you will understand step by step installation. Any batch, not service desk batches, because service desk batches we don't teach how to do. Okay, so because theoretical practical thing is there. So practically you can see from batch 15, batch 16, batch 13. So people are windows are there. Okay, so one of my second highest views of Windows 10 installation is there. So go through that one in step by step. I explain how to install Windows 10 also. Okay, so check it how to install, pre-installation, post-installation things are there. Okay, if one or two people watched it and tell to others which video is better or how to use it, that's you have to, you guys are should be cooperative with each other. Yeah, point is, you have a operating system DVD. For example, I have a Windows 10 in my laptop, but I don't have a Windows 10 home DVD with me. I don't have Windows 10 home DVD with me. I got some issue. I want to go to repair option. Luckily, Windows 10 will go to repair option directly. In some cases, not every time, but most of the time it will go to repair options. But in Windows 10, you want to go to repair options, but you don't have a original DVD to go to the repair options. Okay, so troubleshooting related problems options you want it, you are not getting it. So what to do? What to do? System is working, then you can go directly. If your Windows 10 is working, you can go to that advanced settings like this. Go to open the settings. Go to Windows, update and security. Update and security. And in this update and security, go to recovery. Okay. The first one is I told first one is a normal one, so that like you have a system like a Windows 7 or a Windows 8 kind of system is there. Why it is got closed? Update and security, recovery. Why it is closed? Something is happened. I don't know. Okay, we'll see that one. Yeah, that is recovery. In recovery you will find a advanced options. So there, if you click on restart now, there will be system will be restarted. You will go to the advanced options like startup repair, system image recovery, UFI firmware settings, okay, troubleshooting options, uninstall recent updates, okay, system restoration options, command prompt options. You will find it there in that screen. So you can set in a Google also. This is Windows 10. But earlier, what I told, you have in generally like you have Windows 7, Windows 8, or Windows 10 or Windows XP. You want to go to repair options. Mainly Windows 7 onwards is a better option. You want to go to repair options. What to do? You have to insert a that operating system related CD. Means Windows 7 Home, Windows 7 Professional, Windows 8 Professional, or Windows 8 Enterprise, Windows 10 Home or Professional or Enterprise. Okay, which edition you are using in your system, some same operating system DVD, you have to insert it, then boot with it. So then you will find install now or a repair. So you have to go to repair, then you will get a repair options. So then you can able to troubleshoot it. But you don't have a that original DVD, what to do? What to do? So when you are having a time, so means you have a system and you have a DVD RAM or a DVD writer. So DVD writer is required. CD is enough. It is a very small, so CD is enough. So it's just click on a system image, create a system repair disk. Then it will ask, please insert your CD DVD. Okay, you have to insert it. I don't have CD DVD part because I removed it and I inserted a hard disk instead of that one. Okay, so system image disk, it means, so sorry, repair disk. So next time, for example, my system, I may get a issue, some issue, I don't know. So I may get a some issue because of my hardware or operating system. How to go to repair options, how to go to backup option, restoration option, system image options. System completely failure. Okay, so if system is running but there is some issue, and Windows 10 will throw that message automatically. Go to advanced options part, but you cannot able to go if your operating system is corrupted completely. But you want to go to recovery options or repair options, troubleshooting options, uninstallation options, UFI settings options. How to go? So you already having this repair disk. You are already having, you prepared repair disk. So you are already having repair disk. Insert the repair disk to your system. Boot with this repair disk. Boot with this repair disk. There you will find some options like advanced options, troubleshooting. Go to troubleshooting, then where you will put advanced options. System restoration option is there. System image recovery option is there. Command prompt option is there. Startup repair options are there. Depends upon your issue. For example, as we discussed a little earlier, you got a hard disk failure is occur, or you may get a some voice is corrupted. What to do? We'll clean that piece and we'll restore our you have a system image is there. Okay, so you want to restore it image to your hard disk again. You can do it. You can do it. For example, the hard disk is corrupted, so how to restore from the backup? So we don't know. So you inserted a new hard disk, insert a repair disk, go to advanced options, troubleshoot, advanced options. There you find out a system image recovery option. Click it and choose where you are stored your backup, means system image backup. Give that location and it restores your system image into original location. Okay, it is So many things are there, guys. This is but two options. You can easily see from your system, guys. You have a computer, go to that anyone's computer. Don't do next kind of stuff. Simply open system image and read this thing. Why Windows 10 is a, sorry, not a Windows 10, Windows is a user friendly, because you don't need to buy any textbooks or notebooks or kind of stuff. If you go to options, it will tell you what it is. It will tell you what it is. Not only because of GUI, because it is also because of every option, it will tell you what it is. So you need to learn separately and do it, not required. So while you are doing, you can easily learn how to do it and what it is. So this is about the system image, and this is about a system repair days. You can now down. So what is the system repair days, and understand what is the use of this both the things. Okay, if system is crashed, you are already taken system image backup. You can restore into system image backup again. This is a traditional options, guys. Windows 7, Windows XP, or Windows 10, or Windows 8. These are the traditional options. Of course, Windows 10 having different options. So that is closing, right? So unable to show you that option. That is reset option is there. Reset option is also similar to image recovery, but not same. Little similar. Similar means reset option also we use in Windows 10. Reset option also we use it. If your system is ever stop working, we can able to restore the system back with a reset option. Okay, so that is option is there. System image and system repair disk. System repair disk is a simple a CD1 basic bootable files. Basic bootable files stores in this CD. Basic bootable files stores in this CD. You can boot any system. You can boot any system without complete operating system. Simply you can able to boot it, and because of it is a repair disk, so it shows repair related options only. Okay, traditionally you can do it. Of course CMD prompt is there, but still it's a important thing is, okay, so important thing is it's a portable drive. Okay, so guys, these are the main thing. The point is not this, so the point is a little extension is there. Okay, so here in this troubleshooting, I didn't check my power connections, cable connections, or some other things. I directly check hard disk and operating system, and I follow the troubleshooting method, and finally make it fixed it, and I've written down what it is. Okay, so this indicates, so this part is what I'm trying to say is a SOP. Okay, I think already I shared some. Already I shared these things, notes kind of stuff. In that one already, service desk related links already I shared. Please check it. If I am not shared or if you miss it, I will share it again. Very simple, guys. In Google, type Latif Tech Notes. There you will find service operations and service desk. Compulsory go through it, guys. What is ITL service operations? What are the life cycles of ITL and sub life cycles of ITL? At least read the names so you will understand better. This is incident management. Okay, I given from the MBMC. So what is incident management? How to deal with the incidents? So as service desk person, incident management is very important. Next, what is service desk? Also written here, and service desk direct questions, technical questions also given. Not my questions and answer, guys. It is I have taken from the Guru 99. Okay, Guru 99. Next, this is service desk levels. Basic network troubleshooting, basic hardware troubleshooting is also mentioned. Basic remote desktop troubleshooting. This is what I am trying to say is SOP. Standard operating procedure. Standard operating procedure, also called as, also called as troubleshooting model, also called as troubleshooting model. It is a very simple SOP is a step by what is a simple what is SOP? Standard operating procedure. Is a set of step-by-step instruction compiled by organization to help workers carry out complex routine operations. SOP aims to achieve efficiency and quality output and uniformity of performance while reducing miscommunication and failure to comply with the industry regulations. Okay, so it is a simply say step by step process or procedure. Step by step process or a procedure. Step by step thing. What is the step by step thing? You can look at here. First of all, any request or incident problem is occur. First important is what it is. What it is. It's a first important is what it is. Identify the problem or a issue. When you say problem, again in ITL, a problem is different from the incident, right? So it's again thing is there. So I put a issue. What is identify the what is issue? What is occur? Server is down, system is down, disk is not working, operating system failure, network is failure. So what is issue? Identify issue. Second one, establish pros was. As I said just before, things. One is unable to find portable disk. Portable disk not found. Portable disk not found. Portable device not found. So what is the plausible causes? I said one is hard disk. Hard disk is corrupted. Hard disk is not working. Hard disk is failure. Not connected properly. Not connected properly. Either it is cable related issues, loose connections, or maybe voice is corrupted. Okay, are deleted. These are a probable causes. Probable causes. So find out what are the possibilities of getting this kind of issue. Okay. Next, test the theory. So you have to check it properly before you are confirming what to do. Before we confirms what to do, test your theory. Is it a hard disk related issue? Is it operating related issues? Which confirm that one. So hard disk related, hard disk is not working. What to do? We have to replace the hard disk and restore the operating system from system image backup if it is there. Otherwise, we will install operating system, we install applications, we install the restore the data from the backup. Okay. If you are having system image backup already readily available, then you can able to restore it. Okay. There is what are the things. So we have to confirm that hard disk is failure and what to do. Yeah. Next, establish plan and implement solution. Plan the properly how to do this thing. So you want to buy a new hard disk, or do you have a old hard disk? Okay, you have already image backup is there. You want to what you want, so you have to plan properly and implement it. First of all, know where is the problem and what is the problem. Okay, find out exactly what is the problem. So if you do like this, problem will be solved. That is test your theory. Next. Plan how to do it. Plan is how to do it and start doing it. The fifth one is verify the fixes. Verify the fixes. Make sure it is working and do preventive measures. Do preventive measures. What is the sixth one? So document finding. Document finding means what are the things you have done for a troubleshooting. Okay, what are the things you have done for a troubleshooting? You have to document it. What is the problem? What is the problem when it is occur? So what is the cause of that problem? What is the cause of that issue? What is the cause of that issues? Okay, so then what is the solution you are made it? What is the solution you are made it? And is it working good? Or any other issues are there? Okay, any changes are made it, so everything you have to document it. So this is called a SOP, guys, and also called as CompShA A plus troubleshooting model, because I have taken it this picture from the troubleshooting model. SOP also called as troubleshooting model. Yes, for everything there is a SOP, standard operating procedure is there. As I said, like you can take any example like a hard disk failure or maybe portable failure, network related issues. So you have to do step by step thing. When we are learning troubleshooting at my diploma, so troubleshooting method how they teach is, so you have to check from the supply connection. Okay, power supply connection. From power supply connection to step by step you have to go machine internally parts and all. But really that is not exactly a SOP or a troubleshooting model. What is the troubleshooting model? First of all, what is the issue? What is the error you are seeing? What it is, how it is showing? That is important. Okay, so if your system is on, but on the screen it is showing some error. Error is like application unable to load. Some application unable to load. System is very slow. System become very slow. You power on the system, system is getting, you log into system, not login, not login, password error, not unable to log into system. You type a wrong password. So wrong password you have typed it. So what is the use of checking the power supply in it? Understand? So I'm telling another thing is, you have a system, you power on the system, you power on the system, system is on, and you got a login screen, means complete boot processing is completed, only login last is pending. Okay, you have to log in, so it cannot log in, right? So you have to give login, username, password box. You given a username and password, it is showing password is wrong, you given a wrong password. So what is the use of checking a power connection in it, right? No need to check the power connection, no need to check the hard disk connection, no need to check the CPU connection, RAM connection, like kind of stuff. Not required. So where is the problem? Identify that particular issue. What is the problem here? Password is wrong. Either username or a password will be wrong. So compulsory go through once what is your password. Check it is. Possible passwords are there. Try with one or two passwords. Do some troubleshooting related to it, like you can use Herana boot CD kind of stuff. Okay, any password cracking softwares are there, you can insert it and boot it and try to reset the password. Okay, there is a for a Windows dat DART, it is very difficult to find. This dat is very difficult to find. It's a diagnostics related word. It is not a dat related, it is a diagnostics related. A D means diagnostics, something is there. Okay, the word troubleshooting, diagnosis kind of stuff. Dat for Windows 10. So you are using if you are using Windows 10, dat for Windows 10. Inside this is a nothing but a CD, or you can put it in a pen drive also. It's a portable part. Okay, so you have to insert this dat CD or a pen drive to your system. Okay, what it is, find out dat CD. You can it's very difficult to find, but still if you have it, you can insert that CD or DVD. Okay, there you can go to, once you are boot with this one, you will get some menu. You'll get some kind of menu on the screen. You get some menu on the screen. In that one you can go to account section. Okay, and put your username and change your password. You can do it. Okay, last time one of my known person, so means not very well known, but one of the known person is there. So he brought a new laptop, no OS inside. So he asked me, they installed a Windows 10, but sad thing is like he put a username, not he, actually their relatives, their family and some relatives has a laptop, they brought new laptop with a Windows 10 in it. Okay, so they install some Windows 10 in it, so they like Windows 7, but I said it is Windows 10 is better, so they found Windows 10. They installed Windows 10. But what they then, so instead of giving a normal local username and password, they given some Gmail account. That Gmail account is not working, and they forget their password, so they cannot able to log in. Means they create a new account instantly, because it is asked a Microsoft account. Instead of creating Microsoft account, they created a Gmail account. They inserted Gmail account, and they never use that Gmail account, so that is a very old and it is locked Gmail. So they don't know Gmail account password, they don't know system password and all. So he asked me, so I said he can replace OS, and also I given one suggestion, that is he can use dat. So I have, luckily I have a dat Windows for Windows 10. I given that image and I said how to put it in your pen drive. Okay, he put that operating system in the pen drive, insert a pen drive into PC, boot with the pen drive. You'll get some options. Okay, so on that one, so there is a option called a account option. Go through the account. Okay, so find out what are the users are there. Okay, so if you have a local account, already local account is there, so you forget his password, then you can reset it, or you can create a new account with the admin rights, or you can unlock the administrator, default administrator, you can enable it. So like that we can troubleshoot, or you can change the password. Simply say select your password, select your user, change the password, reboot your system with normally system, and try to log in. So this is solution. But how to tell in SOP manner? Okay, for this one we troubleshoot what is the requirement, that is only, not required to check the from the power connection. So that is the important, guys. Okay, here it is again. I'll start. I try to log into my PC, unable to log in. I am not in a domain, I am in a work group. Domain is a different concept. That's why I'm not talking in domain manner. I will talk in domain manner afterwards. How to reset the password for Windows operating system? You cannot reset the passwords if you don't know the password. Google, even myself, not myself, one of our colleague and students also, sometimes they will challenge, sir, you said you cannot able to crack the password, so without using cracking I can crack it. So then how, okay, you can crack it. So then immediately they open like this, So cmd, and they will type like this, net user administrator, something like this one. It will ask for a password. You can give the password. So sorry, we can able to change the password. This I ask them simple question is, can you able to do the same thing without starting a computer? Means you start a computer and go to repair option. There is a command prompt. Try this command and try to reset the password without knowing the password, or without knowing, without you are must be administrator to change the password. You are not an administrator, you cannot change the password. You have to log in as a administrator, then only you can change the password for other administrator accounts or a normal accounts. Okay, so you can't change this. So not always YouTube troubleshooting won't work, but still it is worth of knowing what is the issue and how to troubleshoot. Okay, so as per SOP manner, first identify device password unable to log into system, that is identify the problem. So what is the second one? What is the possible causes? Either username or a password is wrong. Username or a password is wrong in this local user kind of stuff. Okay, either username or a password is given wrongly. Normally username shows on the screen directly. Possibility is password is you are giving a wrong. Okay, or a password is locked kind of stuff. Test your theory how to reset the password. Guys, removing BIOS battery won't change your password. It won't remove your operating system password. Removing BIOS battery will reset the BIOS settings, including BIOS passwords, not OS passwords. Not OS passwords. Okay, OS passwords for Linux resetting is different. For Windows is different. Windows, there is a no lesson for a how to reset the password. Okay, so test your theory. Okay, next, what is the possible causes? Test your theory. So I test the theory. Already I have an experience in that. How to reset the password using a DAT. So I have a DAT. Connect the DAT boot image to my PC using a pen drive or a CD-ROM, through CD-ROM. Boot with it. Boot with it, and go to the screen. There I can find account. In that one, find out my user, change the password, shut down, restart our computer, restart with normal screen, and log in naturally. Now make sure you are able to log in, log out with a new password. You can able to log in, log out with a new password, and document finding. So this is SOP. For every issue, you have to speak in the manner of SOP. It will scores better than normally speaking. Okay, always tell in a SOP manner. Identify the problem issue, establish probable causes, test your theory, establish plan and implement the solution, verify and fix, and do preventive measures, document finding. Okay, for everything you want internet connection, 6 steps. You want an internet connection, 6 steps. You got a network related issue. Okay, or for example, you got a mail related issues, login related issues, whatever it is. These are the 6 steps to follow to solve the problem. Guys, understand what is SOP, standard operating procedure, and the two issues I told. No one is speaking. Very good.